Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. Okay, so, yeah. Ngayon na lang ulit, no? Ngayon na lang ulit tayo nag-reading, ng individual signs. Okay, so, syempre, yeah. Titingnan natin, new person. Okay, na-interesado ka. And yung ating current, yung inyong current person, the person on your mind. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, so yeah. Kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye items for protection from evil eye, okay? And sa ating love bracelet and kay granter, and doon sa ating new item for cleansing. So yeah, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang kayo sa kanya pong FB page, okay? And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message, okay? So, yeah. Let's start your reading. This is Love Read ngayong October. Okay? Yeah, the new person. Okay, so yan. Let's see. This is for singles. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, the new person. New person ng mga Sagittarius. So, how do you find this person? How do you view them? Okay. Anong tingin mo dito sa taong to, Sag? Anong tingin mo sa kanya? The Moon in reversed. Pwedeng Pisces. Okay. Why the Moon in reversed? The Page of Pentacles in reversed. This is someone who is so in and out, or hot and cold, or sabihin natin hindi kayo nagkakausap ng palagian, okay? Or maybe hindi lang siya talaga open for communication. Okay? The Knight of Wands in reversed. Tingin mo sa taong to, player. Yun na. Okay? Yun ang pinaka ha? Yun ang pinaka-specific. Tingin mo sa kanya is a player. Mapa babae, mapa lalaki. Player. Play it. Okay? Anyway. Ano naman ang tingin niya sa'yo, Sag? Let's see. Okay. How do this new person views you? Sag. Okay. The Five of Pentacles. What? Why? Why the Five of Pentacles? What? Oh, the Five of Cups. Oh my. Ito this is not, for all. Pero yeah, this is specific. Ang nakikita ko rito, ang tingin ng taong to sa'yo, you're like a chaser. I'm sorry, pero yes, ay hindi po ako. Then, hindi sa'yo to. Okay? So, tingin ng taong to, you're a chaser. Okay? I don't know why. Yeah, the World. The Magician. Some of you, ikaw itong open sa communication. Ikaw, nakakuha ko yung energy dito para daw papansin ka. Okay? Yun ang tingin niya sa'yo. Okay. Pwedeng maging flip yung energy. Pwedeng ikaw yung nakakita ng ganito sa kanya. Okay? So, wag niyo itatry i-fit yung 100% okay, ng reading. Okay? Pwede niyo i-flip dahil hindi naman ito personal. Okay? This is collectives. This is general. Okay? Yeah, the High Priestess. You're too emotional. Yun ang nakukuha niya eh. You're too emotional. Yun ang nakikita niya sa'yo. Emotional or something like laging kailangan mo ng tawag dyan. Tawag dito. Pansin. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah. You're too emotional. Yun ang nakukuha ko. Okay? Yan ang tingin niya sa'yo. So, let's see. Ano bang meron sa emosyon niya for you? Meron ba? Meron ba? Anong emosyon niya for you, Sag? Anong emosyon nitong new person sa'yo? The Seven of Cups in reverse. You're getting their attention, actually. Yeah, you're getting their attention. What's with the Seven of Cups in reverse? Yeah, the Chariot. The Wheel of Fortune. The Knight of Wands. Yeah, nakukuha mo attention ng taong to. Pwedeng Cancer yan. Water sign for their emotion. A lot of emotion or a lot of cups. Okay, a lot of water because water is emotion. Okay, Cancer yan. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, nakukuha mo yung attention niya, pero naiinis siya sa'yo. I don't know why. I don't know. Okay. Nandito yung runner and chaser energy dito sa new person na to. Okay? They love your, maybe, attention. Okay? Kung anong binibigay mo sa kanyang attention, kung na-appreciate mo tong taong to, gustong-gusto niya yun. They're a runner, actually. And you're the chaser here. Don't try to fit in sa message, please. If you're the runner, then ikaw na yung runner. Okay? So, yeah. We have here the runner and the chaser. Okay. Gusto nila na hinahabol mo sila actually. Kung ikaw yung nakaka-resonate na ikaw yung nakahabol, ha? If you're the one who's giving a lot of attention, a lot of affection. Somebody naging open pagdating sa emosyon. Meron ditong nagsabi ng totoong feelings like gusto kita, mga ganyan. Meron ganun ako nakukuha. Okay? And then suddenly may run away. Okay? So, let's see anong meron pagdating sa next action niya towards you. Next action ng new person na to. Yeah, the Emperor in reversed. They don't know kung anong dapat gawin sa'yo. Okay? Andun yung wala silang hindi nila gustong pag-focusan itong connection or itong nangyayari sa inyo. Why the Emperor in reversed? Yan, the Ten of Wands. Ayaw niya. I'm sorry, Sag. This new person na ginugusto mo, ayaw niya. Okay? The Nine of Swords in reverse. Nakukuha mo attention niya, pero sabihin nating andun yung nilalaro ka eh. Okay, gusto niya na parang naglalaro kayo. Yun ang nakukuha ko rito. Pahihirapan ka. Ikaw yung paggagawin niya ng kung ano man. Sabi ko sa'yo, etong taong to, they're the runner. Ano bang gusto ng nagpapahabol? Yung hinahabol. Okay? So, yun ang gagawin niya. Pahihirapan ka niya. Kakawawain ka nito. Okay? Be careful. Some of you, meron ditong age gap. Huge age gap. Okay? Let's see. Ano ba ang advice for the single Sagittarius? Advice. Okay, let's see. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. Kung anong gustong mangyari ng taong to, huwag may bigay. Okay? Huwag ka makipag-cooperate. Nakikipag-cooperate ka. Kung natakbo siya, huwag mo habulin. Ganun lang. Okay? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles. Huwag kang gumawa ng effort kung hindi naman nagiging mutual. Okay? Yung energies nyo. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Swords. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Someone is playing you. This person is playing you, Sag. This new person, yeah, they're playing you. They like to play. They want game. Kung ikaw, gusto mo lang na makipaglaro sa kanya, then pagpatuloy mo. Pero if not, then don't. Okay? Kung ikaw nahihirapan sa ganito, kung ganito ka, Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles, nakakaawa. Okay? They want to see you like craving for them. Okay? You're boosting their ego. Yeah. Kung ginagawa mo yun, you're boosting their ego. Okay? See? Strength. There you go. Okay? So, enough with the effort, enough with the chasing. Okay? You need to stop. Yeah, you need to stop. Focus on something more important than this. Okay? This is just a waste of time. They're playing you. Okay? So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita for the new person you're dealing with. Okay. So, tayo tumungo doon sa inyong the person on your mind, Sag. So, who is the person on your mind? Anong meron sa inyo? Okay. Let's shuffle. Okay, the person on Sagittarius mind. Some of you, narinig ko Aquarius yung person. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay, so, anong meron sa taong to? Who is this person, Sag? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong energy niya? Let's see, Sag. Okay, the High Priestess. Some of them, they're being mysterious, maybe silent sa ngayon. Okay, what's with this High Priestess? Pwedeng Cancer yan. Yeah, the Fool. Pwedeng Aries. Hindi mo makita yung next action nito. Okay? The King of Wands. Some of them, nilaro ka. Nilaro ka nitong taong to. Yeah. Yeah. Ang nakuha ko rito magaling magtago tong taong to. Kung ano man yung ginagawa niya. Magaling siyang mag-playful. Like, magmaang-maangan. Magaling siyang magmaang-maangan. Magaling siyang magtago. Magaling siyang magpalusot.com. Okay? Anyway, so, ano bang situation ninyo ng taong to, Sag? Magaling gumawa ng mind game to. Mind game, head games. Okay? Let's see. Anong situation nyo? The Queen of Swords. They're silent. Or they are silence. Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Some of you, you're in your head. Like, should I trust this person? Like that. Okay, you have doubt. Okay, the situation, sabihin nating unstable. Okay? Andito na yung energy na pwedeng i-cut off ko na ba to or pagkatiwalaan ko. Okay? Some of you, hindi mo ginagamit ang emosyon mo. Or maybe, nagkakaroon na ng 50-50 na paggana sa utak at sa puso. Kaya nagkakaroon na ng juggling sa situation. Okay? So, yeah. The Magician in the reverse. So, may nakakaramdam dito na parang there's something off. Okay? Like, merong parang mali. Okay? Parang ganyan. Your intuition is kicking. Pagdating sa taong to. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng nahuli mo na to sa akto na gumagawa ng kasalanan. Okay? Pero, you didn't, say a word, maybe. It's like, pinapakinggan mo lang sila na nagsasabi ng ganito, ganyan, kahit alam mo naman yung totoo. Okay? May ganun ako nakuha na energy. Okay. Like your face is like, really? Really? Parang ganun. Kung makikita mo yung mukha nito. Really? Parang ganun. Hindi ko mapakita yung mukha ko eh. So, siya na lang, oo. So, what is their emotions? Anong emosyon nito? Some of you, nandito yung walang kibuan. Laking kibuan. Tingnan natin. Anong emotion ito for you, Sag? This, the person you're currently dealing with. Okay, the Four of Cups in reversed. Seven of Wands in reversed. They're not into this. Like, ang nakukuha ko is walang kaseryosohan eh. Okay? Yeah, the Sun in reverse. There's a lot of energy ng lies, deception, a lot of secrets. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles in the reverse. Someone is a non-committal or maybe hindi pa rin ready to settle or yeah, yun nga, non-committal. Okay, commitment fold. Wala akong makukuhang energy ng kaseryosohan sa taong to, actually. Okay? Emotion niya, the Seven of Wands in reverse. The Four of Cups in reverse. Sa totoo lang, wala itong effort. Okay? Wala. They love to throw you. Andun yung love bombing. Okay? The love bombing. Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, wala naman yung focus nila dito actually. They love to love bomb you. Okay? Para mo confused ka. Para maguluhan ka nga. Okay? Para isipin mo, gumagawa naman siya ng ganito, ng ganyan sa akin. So, siguro mahal niya ako. Pero bakit ganito? So, there's like, diba? Nag-fluctuate. Oo. Parang on-off, parang ganyan. Okay, let's see what is their next action towards you, Sag. Okay. Some of you, meron kang Libra Moon. Okay, hindi yan para sa lahat. Pero yeah, nakakuha ko dito, Libra Moon. Okay, yeah, you're a Sagittarius. Pero meron kang Libra sa moon sign mo. So, you're like balancing sa kung anong ipinapakita ng taong to. Parang ganun. Okay? So, they see you as someone na pwedeng naive. Pero yes, sila yung naive dito. Okay? It's like, akala mo ako yung naloloko mo. Parang ganyan. Alam ko lahat. Pero, pinakikisamaan lang kita. Or sabihin natin, parang tinitingnan lang kita kung paano ka gumawa ng mali. Pero alam ko lahat. Parang ganon. Taas ang kamay. Taas ang kamay ng mga nakarelate doon. Tingnan natin. Ano ba ang next action niya ngayong October? Okay, Temperance. Balance. Why? Why the Temperance? The Queen of Cups. They will try na talagang kunin yung emosyon mo. Okay? Yeah. Pero the Ten of Swords is here in reverse. This is actually a repeat, a cycle. A cycle. Okay? So, andyan yung alam nitong taong to na talagang napakabait mo eh. Okay? Mabait ka sa kanya actually. So, gagamitin niya yun. Okay? They will take advantage. Yeah. Akala nila naluloko ka. Naluloko ka nila. Pero, ang totoo lang, alam mo lahat. Okay? Yeah, Six of Pentacles in reversed. Akala nila, nakukuha nila yung lahat ng gusto nila sa ginagawa nila. Pero they don't know na matalino ka. Matalino ka. Okay. Ano ang outcome / advice for you, Sag? The Five of Wands and the Chariot. Avoid drama. Okay, avoid drama. If you need to decide. Okay? Iba sa inyo, talagang minsan nagsasabi na ng ayaw mo na. Dahil ayaw mo na ng drama, dahil ayaw mo na ng conflict, ng problem. kung may ganun ng pagdedesisyon or may ganun ng pagsasabi, sa tingin ko, there's something wrong talaga eh, no? Hindi ka naman naalis sa isang sitwasyon or relasyon kung wala kang ganitong naramdaman, okay? So, some of you, dumarating na sa punto na naiisip mo nang kumalas dito. Dahil, yun nga, may mali. Okay? So, if you need to avoid this, do it. Avoid this. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan ng ganito. Hindi mo kailangan. Okay, yeah, the 5 of Pentacles. Kung kailangan mong iwan to, kung kailangan mong alisan to, dahil sinasayang ka lang nito, then do it. Kasi naman may mas masayang pa kung magstay ka. Okay? Marami pa na masasayang sa'yo. Sa totoo lang. Kung mag-stay ka rito. You're witty. You're intelligent. Yeah. You're not naive. They are. Okay? So, ang nakuha ko rito, mind over heart decision. So, kung sa tingin mo, nagkakagulo na, gumagana na yung utak mo kaysa sa emosyon. Okay? So, you need to decide. You need to decide. Okay? Days of Swords in reverse, naguguluhan ka, you're confused. Yeah, kasi nagsasabay yung utak at yung emosyon. Okay, pero yeah, just be practical. Yeah, be practical. Okay? Kung anong sa tingin mo, dapat. Kung anong sa tingin mo, yung mas makakabuti sa'yo, sa health mo, okay? Sa health mo, mentally, physically, lahat. Doon ka. Okay? So, yeah. There, yun ang ating reading for you sa Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!